Alright, so we're going to talk about bags. On our tables that we've created, everything is assembled in bags. These are the bags back here. They're all infinite bags, so you can pull out as many of the sets as you want without running out. To get a bag out, what you're going to do is you're just going to hover over the bag, click on it, and drag away. That'll give you a bag. If you don't drag away right away, it'll lift the bag up and you'll be dragging the bag. So just grab and drag. Now once you grab one of these out, it's a bag that's full of other bags, and if you right click on that and you hit search, you're going to see each one of the matchups is in its own bag. So say you wanted to play the Bancroft versus Aron deck. Well, you're going to grab that bag and let's bring it out to the table. Okay, so now we can drop that out. We can get rid of this and delete it. Now inside this bag, if you right click on it and hit search, you can see there's two bags in there. You can either grab the bags out this way or just grab the two bags out. And now hover over them, it'll tell you which one's which. So say you were going to be High Justice. All right, so we're going to pick up the High Justice bag. Now if I drag out of there, here's the actual 65 card deck. The bag now can get deleted, and this would be the deck you would play with. You can see if I spread this out, there is Banny's deck. So that's how you get things out of bags, and so you can start using them. Now if you're not wanting to use the pre-mades that have already been made up and you want to make your own deck, you're going to want to grab either a Genesis of Conflict or the Savage Escalation, or both, depending on how your deck's going to be built. Grab one of them bags, just drag it off to the side, because if I pull one of these out, inside this bag is a complete set of Genesis of Conflict. There's one copy of each card. Same with Savage Escalation. If I drag a bag out, this bag has one complete set of Savage Escalation. So if you right click on the bag and hit search, you're going to see that the bag has assembled a bunch of other bags that are all by type. So if you need a leader, you're going to pull your leaders out, your territories, your G-forces, forces. So let's say we're starting to build a deck and we need some forces. Well, I'd grab this bag, I'll drop it on the table, and now inside this bag I can drag out one set of set 1 forces. Well, actually this is set 2. So one set of set 2 forces. It's 113 cards. If I right click on that, I can hit search. Now all the cards show up on the right hand pane, and I can go through and start picking the cards that I want. Oh, I need this card, grab it, drop it. This one, grab it, drop it. Let's throw one of these in there, grab it, drop it. And once you're done grabbing your forces, well, now you can figure out, oh, I wanted 2 or 3 of these. So you can hit Control C, Control V. Okay, so now I got 2 of those. Let's make 3 of these. So there's the 3 of those. Put them all together by picking them up, dragging them over, let go. Now you can see I got 5 cards in here. Let's put a 4 set in here. There's 4. You can hover over it. It'll tell you there's 4. You can pick it up, drop it on top of your 5. You'll see it goes to 9. Now you're starting to build your deck. If I right click and hit spread, it'll pull the cards back apart. So that's how you get into these bags and start getting the cards out to be able to play with them. By going to a bag, pulling out the set you want, right clicking on the set, hit search, and then grabbing whatever type you're looking for at that time. Morale, building, whatever you need. Drag that onto the board, bring them cards out, and then you can search through those cards. It's pretty simple. Then you start to assemble a deck, and getting in and out of the bags you're going to see is quite easily done. It is, you'll be doing it all the time, so it's quite easily done.